Hey everyone, Tessa here. First, I want to thank the company for sending me these storage bins for my honest review. So let's take a closer look. This is how they come. So they're really flat. So when you aren't using them, I mean, look how flat they are. You can store them away easily. They're not going to take up any space. There are 3 of them. I already put one of them together, as you can see here. So I'm just going to show you how to put one together. So all you do is open it up. Just like that, very simple, and it has these cardboard bottoms that you place inside there, so just put it right in, just like that. And it has these little tabs. I would put it in so the little tab is on top, so then it's easy to pull it out. And then it comes with the rope handles, and it's very easy to put on. And thread it through, and just tie a knot. And then same with the other side. There's one handle, and then of course you would do the other one on the other side. These storage bins measure 15 inches by 10 inches, and then it's 9.5 inches high. Now I'm going to show you the closet that I want to organize. So here's the before shot, and I will show you the after shot. Here's the after shot. That looks so much better than before. So I use these mainly for towels, so there are a lot of towels in here, and also in here I also have a lot of hand towels in here. I found so many hand towels that I didn't know I was missing. It was great. And I was able to fit about 8 of them in there. So very excited. And there's the other shelf. And of course, clearly I need to get more of these so I can finish this closet. But wow, I mean, what a difference. I love it. I love the design of it. I think it looks so nice. It just adds a touch of style to your home decor. And you don't have to use this just for linens and towels. They're very versatile, these storage bins. You can use them for clothes, toys, office supplies, magazines, books, games. Overall, I love them. I give them 5 stars.